If your NexSens X3 Datalogger has stopped communicating, follow along to get your data back online. Let's first check the system on WQ Live to learn more about the problem. Open the dashboard to find the last contact time and status icon. The icon indicates whether the X3 is communicating as scheduled or has an intermittent or lost connection. The green check indicates that the data logger is transmitting as scheduled. Any missing data is a result of poor or broken connection between the X3 and the sensor. The yellow warning icon indicates a missed transmission. Check again after the next scheduled transmission. The red error icon indicates that multiple transmissions were lost and additional troubleshooting is required. WQ Data's internal diagnostics for X3 loggers include primary power, internal humidity, and cellular signal strength, along with the time they were last transmitted. The primary power on solar charged systems will increase to approximately 14.5 volts on sunny days and return to near 12 volts as the sun recedes. A power below 11.5 volts is the likely cause of lost communications and field troubleshooting is required. Use WQ Data Live's reporting tool to plot the primary power and total system current for the past month or two and observe the trend. The difference between sunny and overcast days is easy to spot. A drastic change in total system current can be due to a cable short or damage to part of the system. A failing system or one drawing excessive current will not fully charge, and the voltage will continue to drop over time. Again, field troubleshooting is required. If battery outputs are within range, humidity inside the logger can impact or damage electronics. Internal humidity should be below 50%. A high humidity or sudden spike indicates that water has breached the housing and the logger will need to be sent to the factory for evaluation and repair. A change in telemetry signal strength may also be a factor, with stronger signals having values closer to 0 or, in the case of iridium, more positive. Poor signal strength will require field troubleshooting. To view trends, use the WQ Data Live reporting tool to view signal strength. Most often, lost communication issues will result in a field visit for on-site troubleshooting. Inspect the system for damage from weather events, vandalism, and wildlife. Check antenna for damage or water ingress at the connector. Dry and reinstall antenna with O-rings in place. Check for tree cover and other solar obstructions. Reposition or clear as needed. Check all connectors and cables for water ingress, cuts, chafing, or loose connections. If the system appears to be intact, cycle power and listen for audible signals. If silent, the solar power and/or battery may have failed and needs to be repaired or replaced. See the links in the description. Connect sensors to the manufacturer's software and confirm proper function. Another possible cause could be that the cellular SIM may have failed or disconnected. Contact NexSens or your cellular service provider. If communication has not been re-established and there are no visual or power issues, direct connection to the logger will allow users to adjust settings and, if needed, change cellular service providers. Plug the X3 into a computer and launch Connect software. Open the cellular settings and turn the RTU board on. If the RTU board does not power on, try again. After multiple attempts, it is likely that the modem has failed and needs to be replaced. If it does power on, verify signal strength and stability by testing connectivity. Review and edit the Custom 1 command if necessary, and then click Send. If a successful Custom 1 command response is returned, continue to the Custom 2 command and select Send. Reconnect the system and try to establish communication with WQ Data Live. If you need further assistance or technical support, contact a NexSens system specialist for help at the links in the description. NexSens. Better data. It's never been easier.